students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to simplify the expression and then we have to find the value if x is equals to 2. So basically, firstly we have to simplify the expression. First expression is given, that is x plus 7 plus 4 multiplied by the x minus 5. And after simplifying this expression, we have to plug the value of x as 2 in order to find the value of this expression. So this x plus 7 plus 4 multiplied by the x minus 5 is written as 4 of x, and 5 multiplied by the 4 multiplied by the minus 5, this is equals to 4 multiplied by the minus 5. So this from here is equals to x plus 7 plus 4x, and 4 multiplied by the minus 5 is minus 20. So 4x plus x is equals to 5 of x, minus 20 plus 7 is minus 13. So this is our expression. Now we are going to plug the value of x is equals to 2. So this from here is equals to 5 multiplied by the 2 minus 13. 5 multiplied by the 2 is 10, and 10 minus 13. So 10 minus 13 is equals to minus 3. So we can say that the answer to the first part is minus 3. So this is the answer to the part 1. Now we are going to discuss the part 2. Part 2 is 3 of x raised to 3 of x plus 2 plus 5 of x minus 7. So this is 3 of x plus 2 plus 5 of x minus 7. Firstly we have to simplify this. So 3 of x plus 2 is equals to 3 multiplied by the x plus 3 multiplied by the 2 plus 5 of x minus 7. So 3 multiplied by the x is 3 of x plus 3 multiplied by the 2 is 6 plus 5 of x minus 7. 3 of x plus 5 of x is equals to 8 of x plus 6 minus 7 is equals to minus 1. Now we are going to plug the value of x as 2. So this from here is equals to 8 multiplied by the 2 minus 1. 8 multiplied by the 2 is 16, and 16 minus 1 is 15. So we can say that the answer to the part second is 15. Now we are considering about the part third. Part third is 6 of x plus 5 of x minus 2. So this is part third, that is equals to 6 of x plus 5 of x minus 2. Firstly we have to simplify this expression. So this from here is equals to 6 of x. We are going to multiply 5 inside this bracket. So this from here is equals to 5 of x, and 5 multiplied by the minus 2 is 10. So 5x plus 6x is equals to 11x and minus 10. Now we are going to plug the value of x as equals to 2. So this expression from here is equals to 11 multiplied by the 2 minus 10. 11 multiplied by the 2 is 22, and 22 minus 10, we are going to subtract 10 from 22. That from here is equals to 12. So we can say that the answer to the part third is 12. Now the fourth part is 4 of x. 4 multiplied by the 2 of x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. So we are going to solve this value. Firstly we are going to solve the expression, then we are going to plug the value of x. So this from here is equals to 4 multiplied by the 2 of x minus 1 plus 3 of x plus 11. Simplify this, we are going to multiply 4 inside the bracket. So 4 multiplied by the 2 of x is 8 of x. 4 multiplied by the minus 1 is minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. 8x plus 3x is equals to 11 of x minus 4 plus 11 is equals to 7. So 11x plus 7 is here. Now we are going to plug the value of x as 2 when the value of x is equals to 2. So this expression is equals to 11 multiplied by the 2 plus 7. 11 multiplied by the 2 is 22, and 22 plus 7 is equals to 29. So we can say that the answer to the part 4th is 29. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of algebraic expressions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.